Hey everybody, we got some new toys to play with today. So we've got a little bit of unboxing here. The top one we're going to take a look at today is the Just Tap, or as we are calling it here, the Drop Pod. So we're going to give that a test. We also have the Anker Power Bank and a extended battery pack for our GoPro. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You're supposed to be able to just drop this and it's supposed to land and set itself up. It's supposed to be a really quick iPhone device for taking video. So let's see here. There's something else here in the packaging. Looks like a USB charging cable is what this is going to be. Okay, that does not look to be USB-C to me. It looks like the traditional USB. So unfortunately you're going to lose a few points for that. Love USB-C. So here is the device. It comes with a remote. So this is allowing you to control the device. You got to set it up with your phone, but we're going to put it on here. So let's see how this works. So according to the box here, instructions, that's all you get. Unlock the tripod, pull to extend, tap to activate. And it's saying where you tap it. Let's give it a try. This is our first attempt. Dang, look at that. Okay, that is it. Instructions on the box, a little lacking. Simplicity, yeah, look at that. We'll pull this back down here. You've got a mount for that way, but it's also supposed to take, okay, some of the other reviews made it seem like you just snapped it there and it was going to be a mag. It's not. It's going to take the phone here as a clip, and we can bring it up and take it to the side. So we show what we typically use here on the tripod. You know, this right here has got some good articulation, but this is a much stronger, but this is lightweight. So we'll have to take this out in the field. We'll have a car show coming up. We'll give it a test drive. Let's see how it goes back together. Just push it there. Like, I don't know about that. That remote's going to get lost. This does not hold in well enough. It needs some type of band to hold this. Let's go on to the next product. Let's take a look at the Anker Power Brick. The first thing I will say about this thing is heavy. It's got some weight to it. What I like about this one is it's got an LCD display. So for all the gadgets that we take, by the way, do want to say all of these reviews, not sponsored, not paid. We buy these products with our own money and we test them out. If they're not good, we send them back. So, okay. Nice boxing. Nice placement in here. Look at that. Snazzy bag. That's pretty nice. What's inside? A USB-C to USB-C cable. Actually, it's got decent feel to it. Not going to complain on that at all. Let's pull out the brick. Okay. Very nice looking here. Let's turn it on. See if it comes with a charge. As we see, it's got a very nice, looks like an OLED type of display to it. And then we've got a couple of charging ports on the end. Only 3, but 3 is plenty. I got this to be able to charge up an iPhone quickly, as well as be able to charge up a MacBook Pro and an iPad. So I'm looking for the fast charge capabilities. This is supposed to be a 9-hour battery pack for your GoPro. So let's take and open that baby up. Our GoPro that we use is always running out of battery. Okay, so this looks pretty decent. So what this is, we'll have to make sure the fit's good on it. You're going to snap the GoPro in here, and it comes with the standard GoPro mount. This is nice and rugged. This feels well built. You still got use of the manual buttons up here. It feels like a good waterproof type of connection through. It's going to interface over here to the GoPro. It says that it is going to work with every Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let's take a quick look here at the power cable that came with it. USB-A to USB-C. Now what we need to do is get it in here. So now this is the first time doing it, so we'll give it a try here. Slide it in there. Feels like a nice tight fit. Come up here. We're going to give it a latch. Good. It's nice and latched. Now we're going to hit the power button on here. Yep, we got a blinking light on it. So I think now it should work. I'm going to first test it out here and give it a little bit of slow charge capability and just look at what the screen looks like here and have it charge this device off of it. We're going to go ahead and plug in here and we should get a, yep, so now we show that we're pulling 14.8 watts. Kind of a nice feature to see what it's pulling there. Now let's go ahead and plug my phone into it. So we're going to go into slot A. And there we go. I'm at 52% charge. So now what we see is C1, which is the USB-C here one, is pulling 14.1 watts as well. C2 pulling 14.2. Now it's pulling 16. You can see it's got some decent wattage pulling into it. We'll put some links down there, but these seem like some good tech gadgets if you know anybody looking to up their game a bit.